Another must-have for your cabin is a toolkit. Now this is one I bought that was all put together. As you can see, it's a company called Cobalt. I believe I paid 50 or 60 bucks at Home Depot or Lowe's. And it is a Velcro together toolkit. I can just store it right in my cabinet. Excuse me as I'm opening it all, but as I roll it out, it's got everything I can need. So it's got scissors, it's got pliers, it's got wrenches, it's got a putty knife, or the type that you put a razor blade in. It's got a hammer and a level, and it keeps rolling out. If I roll it a little bit farther, it's got a self-locking measuring, and it's got a bunch of screwdrivers and different gadgets here that we've added. One thing that I added in here is a stain marker. So our house is made of wood, but there's a lot of wood on our property. So I have stain markers in a couple of colors. You are going to have dogs chew on the bottom of furnitures, or things just get a little bit more beat up than it may get in your house. So hopefully you don't have anything valuable in your house that cannot afford getting a few nicks and scrapes, but I keep a slew of those stain markers in my arsenal just to make sure I can get everything cleaned up when I'm here doing maintenance.